YouTube, welcome to HTS. My name is Lil Sotelo. In case you're wondering who this guy is, your first time stopping by my channel, I'm glad you stopped here because I do have a lot of free stuff on this channel. In my descriptions, I do have a lot of free ebooks, but it's up to you to value free. And that's kind of like what I like to teach about this channel, entrepreneurship. Value every free bit of information you get. And if you're in a hurry, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification so you go do what you got to do and you get future notifications of my new videos coming out. So, you're on this channel, you obviously want to learn how to get out of the rat race. And if you're doing it solo by yourself, it is a lonely road. I just got to let you know that because you got sometimes friends and family wondering what you're doing. But I want to show you right here Google Sites. So let's get started. Now, Google Sites are free. I want to open this up. And you can use Google Sites to launch your e-commerce business. Affiliate marketing. You could even build an email list with it. I want to show that on another video. You could also use, if you're a school teacher, you can use Google Sites. They are free. You can use them for so many different things. So all you do is go to Google, hit Google Sites, and this is going to pop up over here. And I want to open this up so you can get a full video, full view. So in this video, I want to make a quick just a landing page because I'm going to be promoting I want to use this for an example too. I will leave the link in the description below if you're interested, if you're planning on buying a house or if you want to learn how to pay off a house a lot sooner. Financial literacy is what it is. So I'm going to be leaving that link in the description below as well. So you can start with a blank, a restaurant. You could change everything. So for this example, I want to start in a restaurant. And I want to share some powerful headlines that represent a lot of the product that I'm promoting because a lot of this stuff's important. A lot of new home buyers, they don't know about this. So, and what I want to do, I'm just going to fix up this page a little bit. So, let's see right here what I could put. Restaurant name. Okay, I'm going to obviously change this. I'm going to open this back up real quick. I got a little piece of content up over here. So I'm going to, let's see. I want to do this right here. Warning. I'm going to copy this. I want to make it quick. So I kind of already pre-made a lot of I redid before I made this video. Sorry, I got my tongue got stuck there. Warning, do not buy a house before reading the shocking free report. So I thought it was just going to copy it and put it there. So sorry, it might take a little longer. This, you want to put shocking, like you want shocking to stand out because it's it'll grab people's attention. Shocking free report. Then I'm just going to get rid of this up here and kind of bring this up here a little bit. I'm going to kind of be going on and off here, opening this and closing it, so please forgive me for that. But I want you to get full view. So exclamation point. I want to, let's see, probably make this a little smaller. So let's see, we're at 40. Let's go about 36. Okay, then it's going to kind of like just decorate this a little bit. Some things you don't want to be in bold. So shocking free report. I kind of don't want that in bold. I want shocking, yes, and I want shocking to stand out. So we want to see what colors they allow you to have here. Red. Oh, there we go. Red's coming out. Now you want to come over here, put free. Free housing report. I'm just going to put it in capital letters for now. You could change that later, and then you write a short tagline of what you're going to be in there. So I got one for that too. So let me close this again, and we're going to talk about, and this is going to have to get changed. So let me kind of go through it here. 6 fatal traps of buying a new home exposed. The dirty little lies no real estate agent, builder, or even a buyer advocate would dare to tell you. And this sometimes it's true because just people don't know. They don't know, and it's not their fault. It's just they don't. There's certain education out there that I've learned that you come to find out like wow, but I want to save that for later. So that's all I'm going to use that for. I'm going to open this back up. Now I could mess with this a little bit. Maybe it's not 6. Maybe there's a lot more because I'm going to be putting this website in here. Now this is the one that's going to be in the description below. It's a free report, and you can fill it out. It's wealth education. So there's a lot of cool stuff that comes with it. So go ahead and check it out and get your free report as well if you like. So we're going to go back over here. Then we're going to change this image here. We're going to change it with, I don't know yet. Let's see what's in images. You could upload your own, or you could select what's in here. And you might get some good ones with Google image search because there's a few images of me, my own logo. Let's see, houses. Let's see. It's a nice one. I'm just going to use this for an example. I don't want to take up too much of your guys' time because, yeah, I don't want you guys to be like, he went all out in that video. So let's see. There. Reservations report. Okay, let's see. Right here. This is where you're going to want to put your link. So I won't want to come over here. Copy this link. And put it right there. Free report. Available here. Of course, you don't have to make it all capital, but I'm just using that for the purpose of this video. And I want to change all this right here because this is not the color I would like to use. So I'm going to go black. Black and shocking. The red stands out. You could leave these green or black or whatever color you choose to do and whatever product you're promoting. Now you could also use this, everybody, for ClickBank, JVZoo, whatever affiliate or e-commerce links you could use that belongs to you for your own business. It's all available right here. You could do it for free. So, and of course, there's different layouts. So if I wanted to move this right here and put a different layout, like let me show you. Let me move that. We're going to put a layout right here. There you go. And then right there, I could select an image. There's so many things you could do here. So you just got to play around with it a little bit. Test it here, test it there, and then once you like what's there that fits your product or your service, you could play with it a little bit. I mean, it's pretty cool stuff here. So you could open this up, make it a little bigger. Whoa. Something got stuck there. Then let's see. Want to make this back color a little different. So let's see what we could do here. Because that, I don't know what kind of, it's like that green is not too pretty. It's like background. Upload image. Free report. We want it to look somewhat nicer than what it is. I'll go back to that later. Then as you can see, you go right here, and you could go to your product you're promoting. And just for this example, I pulled up a product from Warrior Plus. So whatever landing page that pops up, this is has nothing to do with what I'm putting in here, but this is just for another example. You could go up here, copy paste this, and then put that on your page up here. So this is your home page. After, you could go to your contact page, put your information so they could get a hold of you. I'll go through that here in a little bit. So please stick with me. If you're in a hurry, come back later. But let's see what I want to put up here. This is actually true. The secrets banks are hiding. So we're going to put that there. We're going to leave some curiosity. And we want to put a color that's going to stand out pretty good. So maybe this bright green. That stands out pretty good. You can take that off. Then whatever section you want to put on the bottom here. Let's say you want to put a picture of you. Put some more copy. You're more than welcome to do that on your when you make your Google site here. Let's see what else we could do here. Let's see pages. So I'm not going to be using Chef. So Chef can be deleted. I'm not going to be using menu. Now remember, this was for a restaurant. So I gotta change this up here. This is not for a restaurant. This is more for let's just put wealth for this example. Wealth education. There we go. So wealth education. And I heard what happens when you use keywords a lot with Google. After you publish it, you got more of a chance of your site being ranked. So keep that in mind. Okay, we're just going to keep it simple. Let's say I don't want to use any of these. Trash it. Trash it. Now, I'm just going to put right here, don't be, nah, I'm not going to put don't be fool. Don't be, I don't even know what I want to put here. So for now, I'm going to leave it blank. I'll go back to that later. I don't want to take up all your time. But as you can see, you can use Google Site to get your product and service out there. So you can insert, okay, I'll go on to contact us, and then I could put an image of me. Oops. Let's see, replace, let's see, background. You can put your location. Let's see. I wanted to put an image here of me. I know you could do that because you could delete all this. Look, you could delete whatever you want, and then you can just put your contact information. Now, speaking of contact information, I do have that in my channel description as well. I have my email there. So in case you want, you could drop me an email too if you like. But make sure you leave comments below if you like. So contact information. So let's say I don't even want this up here. I just want to get to the point. Contact information, open hours. You put your email there, your best phone number, your business number there, and your address if you like. So you go down here, you could change this image and select insert another image. Now you got over here images, text box. It puts a text box down there, whatever you want. You could embed anything, your drive. You could pick other layouts of the. I mean, right here I could delete this and add another layout right there. Or I should have brought it up here, but let's see something. That's what I should have did. There we go. So it's more on the top. Right below there, I can add my image here. This was for a restaurant, so you gotta, remember to make it all about your wealth education. Let's say it could be for dog food, dog treats, whatever it may be. I just like to throw a lot of other ideas out there as I do make this this site, and I'm not going to publish this right now because I just wanted to make this to kind of give you an idea of what you can do with this. There's so much you can do. All you gotta do is take your time. Once you publish this, it's going to give you. Let me show you real quick. Let's see what it's going to look like. And then it's going to let you come right here, click your free report. It's going to take you right here. And they go down here, they hit this, and then it has right here, and then they get their free financial flexibility education. So that's what we're all looking for these days. Most of us are, some people are not, but if you stopped at my channel, that's probably what you're looking for in your future to come. So that's let me see something. Where'd it go? Rapid. Oh. So that was what it'll look. That was the preview of it. But once you hit that publish, it'll give you a Google link, and with that Google link, you could share it. You could run traffic to it. You've got to make sure you have your headline at the best it can be, and then start running traffic to it. And then with this, like if you were going to run this in there, you have to, you kind of want to make your own landing page for it and put this inside so you could build up your business. Because if you just send them theirs, they're going to get all your leads, and they'll market to them. So you want to make sure you have a landing page similar to this one or whatever it may be inside your Google, and just so you don't lose out on leads, and you can market to those leads later. So yeah, so if you hit publish, that's what it'll do. And I don't want to take up too much of your time. I probably took up a lot. Just wanted to show you this. If you got any value out of it, please hit the thumbs up. I'm growing this channel just like any other channel. Every channel starts from zero, and I'm looking to grow it a lot more. So if you can hit the like button, I really appreciate it. If not, no worries. Make sure you go in the description of a few of my videos and check out my other videos that are going to be popping up around here somewhere, so you can get you some free stuff and just value it, apply it, and keep working for your dreams. All right. See you later. Bye.